Welcome to the Sanjeevani Learning Management System. Today's demonstration I am going to explain how to add the attendance. First come to the dashboard one now. Select your course. So whichever course you want to add the attendance one. But before that your student enrollment must be there. Then you can add attendance one now. Okay. Yeah. So now just click your course. Suppose I am clicking my course, this one. Now I want to conduct attendance. So I already organized here my blue button. Now during this session I want to conduct my attendance one now. So just click on turn editing on. Remember it now, this is the first step. So now I am just turn editing on should be there. Okay, I am making now off here. Again I am demonstrating. Okay, I am making here off now. So this in your condition you make first turn editing on. Okay, so after making turn editing on, you just add an activity which location you should require, and with the help of this plus sign you can drag anywhere, but better way announcement is a good option. So now I am adding this one, but this student have to drag up to this option. So better way just add it in an announcement one now. So just click on the add an activity one. Yeah, so in that one second option is attendance. Select the attendance one now, click on add one. So as soon as click on add, you can see attendance one now. But this attendance for what? So you can include attendance for STQA on date. Suppose I am today's date, I am enrolling now. Suppose 0. And here you can also type the message. Yeah. Welcome. No, attendance will be appear only 50 minutes. Suppose I am demonstrated purpose. Attendance will be appear only 50 minutes. Okay, and this just display on the course page. Just click it now. So according to your convenient you can type this one. Okay, now next option again I am explaining grade. So grade just make it here none. Then yeah, then next thing, and these are the again other option. Okay, yeah, if you student can manually mark their activity as completed, you can enable, no issue. Okay, you can enable this issue one now, no issue, that is we can do. And after this just make the what now, save and return to the course one now. Yes, now my attendance will be added now. Which location? This is my location one now, but this I want which location? My front side. So just click on this plus side, most resources there. So just use the arrow key and just move it now. So which location you want, just you can drag it now. So just click it now, click it and just drop it whichever location you want. So now I want in a first session, so you put it this way now. So drag and drop you can use, drag and drop you can use. Yeah, so these I am putting now this location one. Okay, better way announcement is a good option. Okay, so now student when visit your first page, he or she can easily give attendance one now. Okay, so click on attendance one now. After clicking the attendance, here you can view the menu options. Okay, so here just go to the add session one now, add session. So which when you are to give the attendance one now. So I already scheduled my blue button for today's session. So here so that purpose I included my date here one now, and timing here you have to include. So how much time you want to give the attendance visible to student one now. Suppose I am giving now, suppose 1 hour, preferably just give it to 1 hour, but as per your convenience just do it now. Okay, so now again I am giving 20 to 20 sorry 20 to 21 now. Okay, and here you can write the description also. Welcome to the whatever description if you want to add. Okay, then this is very important. Okay, multiple session. Now same session is present entire my semester one now. So here just click it the repeat one now. Okay, and when we click on repeat one now and just see the which day that time was there. Suppose today's suppose I am taking a Tuesday one now. So it will be up to when you want to repeat one now. Suppose I am taking 3 months one now. Suppose I am taking up to suppose January 2021 now. Okay, so when we perform this thing now, so automatically every time you don't need to add again attendance one now. So only Tuesday whenever your session is there, it's automatically activated up to January 2021, and time also a fixed one now. So with the help of multiple session we can add this one now. And again very important concept is what now, student recording. So allow a student to record own attendance. So here just make the S1 now. So with the help of this what will be happen, student can give attendance automatically one now, and click on what now, add one. So as soon as you add, you can see now a total semester your attendance one now. Then after adding, the report is present here now, so you can view your report also. Okay, then export option also there. Export option, we can export this attendance to XML one now, and status set is there. So status set, as per your convenient you can set it now. Okay, suppose I don't require SQ, so just with the help of this you can delete it now, and just confirm it for the deletion also. Okay, continue. I don't require SQS, but as per your convenience one. And after performing, yeah, just update this one. You can also add if anything else you want to add, but I don't require for my session excuse. Just I am deleted that excuse one now. Then I updated my session. So now this way we can see how to add the attendance one now. So student side how it's a field one now. So go to where now, switch to roll one now. Okay, and here you can go to the students one now. Yeah, so my side it's showing the error one now, but you can view your side student view also. Okay, I'm again making the continue one now. So student side also you can give the attendance regular one now. So every student can enroll your attendance one now. So if yes, so this is I am student. So when student will be click on the submit attendance, so student side such a appearance will be remember. Student side every individual one can see such a appearance one now. Suppose roll number one is there, so roll number one only view roll number one. He or she cannot see other user. So their user, they can only submit their own attendance. So when I click my submit attendance, yeah, so these way attendance will be submit. So now I am suppose Harish Kodke, so I am making my side only. I am cannot view the other students one now. So every individual student can view their only one their only attendance one now, and just I am making the save changes. So this way automatic attendance also we can take through our LMS through attendance one now. So this way you can see my regular attendance here you can view. So I hope this attendance also understood each and everything. Then today I conducted one session for the B student one now. So how should be report generated, that also I am going to demonstrate one now. So just see now how should we see the report, how should be generated one now, that again I am going to show one now. So this is my attendance of today's session. Okay, I am clicking here one now. Yeah, so today's I conducted practical session actually. So I am going to show the practical session attendance one. Yes, so you can see now I easily drag and drop my all the content in announcement one. So you can view now how should we see the attendance also. Okay, just click on this one. Yes, so here just one arrow is there, just click on the arrow. Okay, So you can view how many students were present. Yeah. So total entire session, suppose my 24 students were present. So this way we can make the presentee as well as attendance for now. So this is self-recorded are there. So self-recorded means what? That particular individual student given their attendance, and those who are absent, you can mark here absent also. So here with the help of this also we can mark the absent option one now. So I hope now attendance also understood each and every faculty one now. So thank you very much. So tomorrow onwards, Sanjini Senior College will be start their online session. So I hope best luck for you. Okay, thank you very much.